everybody, today I'm going to make Soto Ayam, and that is Indonesian chicken soup. Do you want to know how to make this? Keep watching.
First we make the broth. You will need 500 grams chicken meat. I only used one piece of chicken with the skin. 1.5 liter water. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 bay leaves. 2 lime leaves. 2 medium-sized or 1 large lemongrass, and 2 tablespoons oil to fry. For the spices you will need 5 cloves of garlic, 50 grams shallots, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 50 grams ginger, 4 pieces candlenuts, 2 teaspoons salt, a half teaspoon pepper. For in the soup, you will need 100 grams bean sprouts, 100 grams transparent bean flour vermicelli, or 100 grams rice noodles, 2 tablespoons chopped celery, 1 tablespoon fried shallots, 2 tablespoons chopped leek, and 1 lime cut in 4 small pieces. Oh, I also need some eggs. Let's go to my chickens. And here I have 4 boiled eggs. How to make Soto Ayam. Boil the chicken with water and salt over low heat. Grind the spices with a blender or a food processor. Traditionally, Indonesians use a kitchen mortar. I'm still a kid, so I got a small food processor from my mom. I cut the spices first in pieces and crush the candlenuts. Then grind it to a fine paste. Make small cuts on the lemongrass. And then bruise it. Skim off the fat lumps for clear broth. Fry the spices paste over medium heat with 1 teaspoon oil for 2 minutes. Add the bay leaves, the lime leaves, and the lemongrass. Fry it for another 2 minutes. Put the spices paste into the chicken broth. Stir well and put the lid back on. Boil it until the chicken becomes soft. Meanwhile, pour boiling water over the vermicelli until it becomes soft. And then drain the water. You can have raw bean sprouts or pour boiling water into it for 5 minutes. Drain the water. The bean sprouts are not raw but still crunchy. When the chicken is soft, remove it from the pan. Use 1 teaspoon oil to fry the chicken for 1.5 minutes each side. The outsides of the chicken will be a little crispy. Then shred it into small pieces like this. For a clean and clear soup, strain the broth. And now how to serve the Soto Ayam. Put the vermicelli in the bowl. Then put the bean sprouts, the leek and celery, the chicken, and the hot broth. Put the boiled egg on the top of the soup. And then last but not least, sprinkle some fried onions. Here we go, delicious Soto Ayam.
So, that's how you make Soto Ayam. Let's try it.
Squeeze a few drops of lime.
It's very good.
Did you enjoy this video? Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.